Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Roblox Initializing device stuck problem on your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Roblox, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to check whether your Windows is up to date or not. For that, you just need to click on Start menu, then click on Settings. In left section you can see here Windows Update. Click on Windows Update. If there is any Windows update pending, just click on Install, or you can see Update option, just click on Update. After updating, just close this window, type here Windows Security, click on Windows Security. In this you can see Virus and Threat Protection, just click on this. Virus and Threat Protection setting, click on Manage Setting. Just you need to disable this option, Real Time Protection. Just click on Yes and close this window. After that, you need to press Windows plus R key. Here you need to type %appdata%. In this, if you find any Roblox folder, you just need to open that Roblox folder and delete all the files. After doing this, once you need to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting your laptop or desktop, hope your problem will be fixed. After restarting, if still you are facing the issue, then the last and final method is you just need to uninstall and reinstall your Roblox. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.